Hi friends, today I'm showing you this 1-year battery operated liquid transfer pump. This is the fluid transfer for any type of gasoline or any liquid that you can transfer from one place to other, and this one is very handy and portable that you can see, and I will show you in this video. This one is the battery operated, so you need 2D batteries and which is not included in this pack, and there's one like the filter as well that I will show the assembly and as well as the use of this. So let me open this box and show you that how this looks from inside. So as I mentioned, this pump can be used for vehicle refueling, change the water, or the ship refueling, or the mower refueling. And you can see this comes with the manual that's in English, so it's pretty easy to read and of course understand and to use this pump. So this is the pipe where the liquid will be transferred to another portion. This is the filter that I was talking. This goes on this one. I will show you the assembly a little bit later part. And this is the main pump. You can see the suction area here. So this one will be the suction side that will suck up the water or the fuel from any source and then goes into the pipe and transfer to the another one. This is the on and off switch, and this one is where you will place the batteries. So 2D batteries will come inside this one. So you can see the position and then you can see the manual how this will be transferred. I will show these images in good configuration on a later part. So you should not use a corrosive liquid with this pump. This is like for the fueling or the simple water or the aquarium clean or the mower or any sort of water placement. And as I mentioned, this is the filter. This goes on the top of it. This is a super filter that will filter any garbage or the dust that is inside that liquid, so which will not go into the system. So this is just go directly inside it on the top of it from the liquid part. So this part will go actually into the source or from you want to transfer the water from. So here is all the parts and the configuration. Total 16 inch in the length. So I am just showing you now to how we need to put in the batteries. So I'm putting these 2D batteries. So this goes in this direction. Then close the chamber on the top, then the push button, and I can see like there is very less noise of this pump, no sound. I'm just putting it in a plain water right now and thus on the switch, and you can see the speed and the power of this pump. It is pretty good and high power pump to transfer any liquid. Easy to clean, filter and everything, and easy to carry. So it's 9 to 10 quarts per minute you can transfer from this pump.